Hey guys, welcome to a new vlog. Today is Sunday. It's currently 7:15. I've just finished my grocery shopping for the rest of the week. So yeah, today's vlog is all about my evening routine, how I unwind myself, how I prepare for Monday. So yeah, um, currently I'm gonna stack up my fridge for the rest of the week, and then I'll cook dinner for myself. Hey guys, much later I finally organized my fridge, um, but then I decided I'll quickly clean my room as well. I'll show you the current condition of the room. Look at this. This is the current condition of the room, guys, which I'm not liking at all. So yeah, let's have a quick room cleanup before I have my dinner. Yeah, I'll keep a time lapse so that you guys won't be bored. My room is so clean and neat right now, and pasta is also ready. It's looking so yum. Mm. By the way, my sister made this pasta. So yum. I'm gonna watch something in YouTube, maybe some vlog or something. Yeah, I'll enjoy this dinner to myself, and I'll see you guys. I'm all fresh and clean now. It feels so good after taking a hot shower. I have put my cute PJs. It says love yourself. I got this from West Side, and it's in my favorite color, pink, and this is so cute. Yeah, I'm gonna do my skincare now. Hand cream is mandatory, guys, for me. I just don't know, my hands get dried up so fast. This is from Body Shop. That's it, guys, my skincare is done. Guys, I'm all set to go to bed, but before that I got my notebook and a bowl of watermelon. So tomorrow is Monday, start of the new week. So every Sunday night what I do is I plan for the entire next week ahead. Yeah, so here are the few journal prompts I have written. I just took it from Pinterest, like what are my main priorities this week, goals of the week, and what would make this week amazing, what am I working on this. These are the few journal prompts which I'll be writing. So now I'm gonna finish my journal and my watermelon both. have finished my journal, guys. So yeah, this is how I'm gonna spend my Sunday evening routine before entering into a new week. Let me know if you guys enjoyed it. If you do, please do consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button as well. Yeah, that's it. I'm gonna go sleep now. I'll see you guys in the next one.